Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to import and watch a wallet address. This method allows you to monitor transactions on any public address without having access to its private keys. Let's dive in. First, open the wallet app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version installed to access all the features we'll be discussing today. On the app's main screen, you will find the setting option on the right bottom. In the setting, click on the wallets. This is where we'll add address to watch wallets activity. Tap on plus. You will now see two buttons: create a new wallet and I already have a wallet. Click on I already have a wallet, choose the network that the address you want to watch belongs to by tapping on it. I choose Ethereum. Next, tap on the address option. This is where you'll input the public address you want to watch. You can either type it in manually or paste it from your clipboard. In this example, we'll paste the public address. Ensure it's accurate, as inputting the wrong address might cause confusion when monitoring transactions. There you have it. The address is now in your wallet app, and you can monitor its transactions. Keep in mind that you can only view transactions for this address, as you do not have access to its private keys. You'll see all incoming and outgoing transactions, as well as the current balance. You can repeat this process to watch as many addresses as you'd like. This feature is particularly useful for keeping track of multiple wallets, monitoring donation addresses, or keeping an eye on cold storage addresses without exposing their private keys. And that's it. You've now learned how to import and watch a wallet address in just 3 minutes. This simple yet powerful feature allows you to stay informed about your assets and transactions securely. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy monitoring.